All right. So for cybersecurity, if you are at all confused on what you're supposed to be doing for the virtual part of the week, just making a quick video to explain this. So first thing you want to do, go to Classroom, and then second thing you want to do is open up our lesson plans because all the good stuff's in there. So say you're going to the virtual part, um, and pretty much any time you're going on here, you need three things open. You need your cyber lesson plans open. You need to open Project Lead the Way. So you could just click on this link, right? My PLTW, um, and log in and get to the correct lesson. So that's a good first start because most of the stuff we're doing in here is on this Project Lead the Way website in our cybersecurity. I have lots of options here because I'm a teacher. So um, go to courses and cybersecurity. Here we go. Woo, there's my cybersecurity. All right, so if I go back to my lessons, everything for Tuesday through Thursday is 1.1.1, and your homeworks are always about how much of the notebook you have completed. So if you go here, make sure you get to 1.1.1. So this is the page it takes you to originally. I like to open this up and go to 1.1 and then 1.1.1. I close it down because it steals some of my space. So basically, you are going through this whole thing and you're not recording your stuff in here. You're recording the answers to questions in your notebook, which is the other important thing to open up. So, how do you open up your notebook? Well, I put a bunch of links here every day. You're going to open up your notebook, and yours will say your own name on it at the top. Cyber Unit 1 notebook, and it'll have your name in there. And you're going to jump to whatever section you're starting on. So 1.1.1, jump to it, and it's basically going to take you through this lesson, and it gives you a place to record everything and type it in. So the first thing you're going to do is a self-assessment, but instead of doing it in here, you're going to do it in your notebook. So you can read this hacked computer thing we're doing at the end. Read the common misconceptions. Any vocabulary you come across in PLTW. Let's do this for instance. Yeah, digital footprint. Any vocabulary you're going to copy, paste back in your notebook. So I'd go to my notebook under vocabulary and I copy paste that digital footprint. Your self-assessment, just answer these questions. And I put, it's okay if you don't know all the answers. We're going to look at the end of the unit and see how much you know. So if you have an idea of what cybersecurity is, type it in and why we need it. If you know what it affects, type it in. If you don't know what something is, it's okay to put I don't know yet. See that word yet? Like social engineering, we're going to learn about all this stuff, but it gives you a good idea of what we're getting into. So you're cruising through. You watch this video and then you answer the questions here. How did the internet become cyberspace we know today? You'll know that after you watch the video. What are some examples of cybersecurity breaches? You'll know after you watch the video. So you'll cruise through here. When you get to number 4, it's the first weird thing. So if you go up here, number 4, here it says Lucidchart or Google Draw. I made a video of how I did my answer for number 4. And I just took a screenshot after I made it. I put a screenshot in and pasted it. I did a copy paste on a screenshot right down here for number 4. Then you'll answer number 6, and then you'll get all the way down to conclusion questions. So you're basically, long story short, you're going through this lesson, and anything it asks you to do, you're recording in your notebook. All right, hope that clears it up. Let me know if you have any other questions.